is there a minimum that you can receive per week on workman's comp? Say if you haven't been on the job that long, let's just say you haven't made but $800. I mean, is there a state minimum on the workman's comp law that you can receive?
All right, Jim, that's a good question.
That's a great question. It's kind of, there's two answers to that. First of all, using $800, the compensation rate is 2/3 of your average weekly wage. So it's 2/3 of 800. And it doesn't matter whether you've worked there a day or whether you've worked there 30 years.
That
doesn't make
matter.
any difference. How long you've worked there does not matter. You establish the average weekly wage, and then you receive 2/3 of your average weekly wage while you're out under the doctor's care. It's called temporary total disability, and you receive that up until the time you reach MMI, which stands for maximum medical improvement. Now, whether you're back to work or not doesn't matter. When you reach MMI, that's when they can cut your checks off.
MMI means what it sounds like. When the doctor says that's as healthy as you're going to get.
It's self-explanatory. You're exactly right. Now, as far as a minimum, there is a minimum, whereas let's say you make $200 a week. Well, that you'll get the entire $200 that week, not 2/3 of it, because there is a minimum. There's a maximum and a minimum that adjust every year, July 1st. And so the rate of TTD goes up. It's indexed to the state's average weekly wage, and it adjusts and goes up every year, and the minimum goes up every year.